we have another Australian black opal. Unique stone, not something I've actually run into too many of this kind of pattern look. This actually, look, you can see the black on the side. It's actually black, but this doesn't show it as well. Put it back down. It's again about 16 VSI diamonds all the way around. 14 karat. This one pops. I like this stone. It was a unique color pattern to it. Palette, or whatever you want to call that. Yeah. Beautiful stone. Cece wore this out in the sun. I was like, damn. Right? This is a beautiful stone. I just put my fingerprints on it. I didn't even know why I did that. There we go. Oh, there it goes. There it is. All right, let's get up a little closer, see if we can do that. Array of colors in that. Right? If you guys enjoyed this.